to replace her with Amy Coney Barrett, who would undo almost everything that Ruth Bader Ginsburg had done, and to ignore her dying wish that the next president select the nominee is so wrong. Why is the Amy Coney Barrett nomination so troubling? The American people should make no mistake about it. A vote for Judge Barrett is a vote to take away health care and its protections for over 130 million Americans who now have protections against pre-existing conditions, for over 40 million Americans who pay less for their drugs on Medicare, for close to 10 million Americans who will lose their health care altogether. A vote for Amy Coney Barrett is a dagger aimed at the heart of the health care protections Americans so desperately need and want. By nominating Judge Barrett to the Supreme Court, President Trump has put Americans' health care at grave risk. And as COVID-19 continues and we need more health care, the nomination by President Trump of Amy Coney Barrett will mean less health care for over 100 million Americans. Health care is the most important issue on the ballot to Americans. And as Americans learn Judge Barrett's views on health care and so many other issues, she will become less and less popular. And hopefully they will call their senators and say, don't vote for someone who will take away my health care. What is Donald Trump and what is Judge Barrett going to tell parents who have kids who have pre-existing conditions, that they can't get health care, the insurance companies can pull the rug out from under them? That is so wrong. And when it comes to eliminating health care, the ACA, pre-existing conditions, President Trump has found the deciding vote. Judge Barrett herself strongly criticized the ruling to uphold the Affordable Care Act. She stated that if justices read the law the way she does, they would have to invalidate the health care law that protects Americans. Her record also makes clear, if she's confirmed, that women's reproductive freedom will be at risk. Roe v. Wade itself will be at risk. If she's on the court, I believe it will either be eliminated or so greatly constricted that in effect it's eliminated. Labor rights will be eliminated. Judge Barrett and those from the Federalist Society want to make America a right-to-work state, which would get rid of labor unions. Our environmental rights would be greatly hurt with Judge Barrett on the court. The Clean Air Act, the Clean Water Act, and all efforts to stop global warming would be hurt. LGBTQ rights would be hurt. This hit home personally to me, because at our Jewish New Year's Eve dinner, our Rosh Hashanah dinner, we heard that Justice Ginsburg had died. My daughter, who was sitting next to her wife, whispered to each other, will our right to marry be constrained under this new court? Just about every American will be hurt by Judge Barrett's views on the issues like health care and women's rights and labor rights and voting rights, climate change.